Ladies and gentlemen, this is insane. The President of the United States has now officially launched a meme coin, and well, it is going absolutely crazy. We have to address this because this is a very big signal about what's about to happen regarding the major shift. And we're going to address exactly what that means, but it feels as though this is one of the biggest signals yet to us basically becoming extremely rich over the next couple weeks and months. We're going to address that. We're going to talk about it in depth. So welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. And also, guys, take 5 seconds to click the link down in the description below and join the free Discord. It's free. It's the fastest growing crypto Discord out there, and it is one of the best that you could ever join in this space as well. So take 5 seconds. You won't regret it. And with that in mind, let's dive on in. So number one, yes, Donald Trump has now officially launched a meme coin. My new official Trump meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for: winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump now. Go to gettrumpmemes.com. Have fun. So this has gone absolutely parabolic in terms of not just the eyes on it, but also the value of this coin. Now I've talked about it on X. I'm not a huge fan of this simply because it does kind of defeat the whole idea of, hey, we're going to be supporting utility. We need to have crypto thrive in the US. We need to, work with these US based companies. And, for the longest time, and when I say the longest time, for like the last 3 months, we have been hearing talks about how utility is set to, conquer this space. And then all of a sudden we have a meme coin getting launched by the president that's supposed to be embracing utility, right? That's my only issue really with this. Obviously, meme coins are going to be around. Meme coins are going to be, a big thing in this space for the longest time, because, as we really look at the retail sector, they love to gamble. It's as simple as that. But when we look at this coin, it has surged over 935% since launching. I think it's even more than that if you actually look on like the dexes and stuff. But this thing is currently trading at a fully diluted value of almost $71 billion. That's insane. That's insane because if we actually look at the market cap listings, okay, $71 billion in terms of fully diluted value would put it in number 7 in terms of the top 100. And it's been launched for about 3 days now, because this officially launched on the 17th at 9:44 p.m. almost like the 18th technically, so about roughly like a day and a half or so. But what I find crazy about this is just how fast it has gotten to this position. And if we actually look at the list, it's at number 18, just going off market cap. I don't even know if this is fully updated though. It's at number 15. So, again, the value of this thing has gone absolutely insane. There's a few issues that I have with it personally, but hey, it is what it is. Let people trade, do what you want. I just think that this is crazy. Now, what does this exactly mean for the cycle? What does this mean for crypto? What we have over here from Crypto Nagato, and I actually do completely agree with this, but I'm going to go in depth on why I agree with this. So we have too many people are worried this is the top of the cycle. The US president just launched a meme. It's over. Wrong. What you are witnessing isn't the end of the bull market. It's the beginning of the end. This is the first step towards full-blown euphoria. Over the coming weeks, thanks to Trump and the US, the magic internet money market will likely attract global attention. And yes, this is facts. What we are seeing right now, all right? We just witnessed this thing go from 0 to over 71 billion in fully diluted value, 0 to over $14 billion in market cap. And it has absolutely gone crazy to the point where mainstream media will be talking about this. Retail is going to be talking about this. And this is going to put a lot of eyes on crypto. In fact, if we actually go over here, we could see that over 400,000 new people are now on chain. And this happened in the last 24 hours. This is crazy to say. because again, 400,000 is a very significant amount of people, and now they're jumping in because of, well, this meme coin. But let's go back over here. So we have the FOMO will kick in hard. NPCs around you will start selling their kidneys and taking out loans to buy every garbage coin they can find. A giant wave of liquidity is incoming, in my opinion. As always, this won't end well for the most, right? Like most of the people that are jumping in, FOMOing in, it won't end well for them. But it can end well for you if you play it smart. Look back at history, study the final phases of the biggest bubbles in history. History doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. Make sure you're not on the wrong side of it. Now, like I said, yeah, this is very interesting to me because we now have the president of the United States launching a meme coin. Does that sound familiar to anyone? Well, it's not exactly the same exact thing. For an example, here we have history doesn't repeat itself, so it's not going to be the exact same thing, but it often rhymes. Dogecoin. Dogecoin going back to 2020 into 2021. Okay? When we first heard about Dogecoin from Elon Musk, it was around December of 2020. Now, if we look at this, right, we have Elon Musk upcoming SNL appearance is fueling Dogecoin's rise, says analyst. Now, we know that SNL led to the demise of Dogecoin. It, topped that day. But we could actually see that Dogecoin soared over 23,000% in 2021. This was all because of Elon Musk. Now, I also want to show you guys something very interesting because if we go back to that time, and now I'm going to go off of the weekly candle here. So this is the weekly candle of December of 2020. This is the December 21st weekly candle. So the total crypto market cap actually pumped over 332% from the time that Elon started talking about Dogecoin to basically the top for Dogecoin. But it also continued even higher, technically going, well over 400%, 405%. So from that point to the top, it ran over 400%. Now I say that because we now have this, meme coin launched by the president of the United States. Listen, when Elon Musk talks, everyone listens. But when Trump is launching a meme coin, 72.5 million views, over 300,000 likes. Guys, he has 97.9 million followers. When we look at the current chart for the total crypto market cap, this thing looks ready to send. It is in a full-fledged bull flag formation. Nice wedge here that it's chopping against. We're waiting for that next big move, and it will most likely take us to 5 to 7 trillion next. Just for reference, the move from our current price to a $5 trillion market cap would be about 42%. To 7 trillion, it would take about 97.4%. Do we top there, or do we continue to pump to almost 9 to 10 trillion? Because again, we're going off of 300 to 400%. Well, why not just say 10 trillion, right? Roughly 10 trillion, almost a 200% move. That's half of that move from the time that Elon started talking about Dogecoin to the top. $10 trillion for the total crypto market cap. That would be very significant. That would be very bullish. And that's something that could happen. Now, like I said, I do believe that this is going to start that euphoric rise to the top, the FOMO as well, just like Nagato is saying. That's why I did quote this post and I said, this is an incredible insight on, exactly what's happening. And this is exactly what's happening. We are starting to see the bait thrown out into the waters to see all the fish line up. And even right now, Bitcoin dominance is starting to break to the upside. I would hope for this thing to top at this upper trend line, or just, hit a wall here and sell off. The weekly close is today. We're actually about 12 hours away at the time that I'm recording this. Obviously, when this does go live, that time is going to be different. But we're definitely watching this still because we are at that 50%, we're almost at 60% here. We're well over the 50% mark. If we go back to December, 20th, this is exactly what happened as well, right? We started pumping as Elon was talking about Dogecoin, and then we hit the top. the next week after. So if we're talking about this, could this be the same exact, or at least almost like the 2020-2021 bull run? In my opinion, it could. And you know what's crazy about this? Everyone is focused on this meme coin. Everyone's looking at this. All the attention is away from altcoins, which is giving us an opportunity right now in disguise because some of them are selling off, right? In fact, most of the altcoin market is selling off and nobody even cares to look at these altcoins now. So when it comes to XRP, XLM, HBAR, even XDC, we have a big opportunity in front of us, which means we are now able to buy at a discount. I mean, are we looking into buying more XRP? Probably not. We already have our bags packed. But, you know, some of these other altcoins, yeah, sure. Like XDC. Guys, XDC is pretty cheap right now still. We have yet to break that all-time high. There's some other opportunities out there as well if you want to really kind of look into it. But I do believe that we are about to see alt season hit this market in a very large way, especially once this chart starts to sell off in a big way as well. And remember, even right now, as we are looking at the space, Bitcoin is trading at about roughly 105K. Bitcoin is very close to hitting a new all-time high. We are also about 24 hours away from, you know, Trump's inauguration. So as we really think about this, everything is aligning perfectly for the euphoric stage of this cycle to officially be here. And, you know, we're about to see FOMO hit this space in a big way, in my opinion. I do think that crypto Nagato is, you know, right on par with this. It's something that I've been noticing with this meme coin as well. I have not touched this. I won't be touching this, but hey, it is good to bring in the normies, bring in all the retail players, because you could even see it here in terms of the volume, in terms of the actual growth of this thing. Retail is FOMOing in. They're buying it up. You could even see the 24-hour volume here as well, well in the billions of dollars on a lot of these large exchanges. So it's very clear at this point that, like, even if we went to Binance, for an example, okay? I just want to show you guys this because this is pretty crazy. If we look at the top volume here, outside of Solana, outside of Bitcoin, you know, the Trump meme coin is the largest player by volume on Binance, which is insane. So, you know, retail FOMO is definitely at all-time highs for this Trump meme coin. All their attention is off of the big narratives like AI agents, AI, even the utility projects like XRP, XLM, HBAR, etc. So right now is the best time to be doing research and looking into some great opportunities in the space to prepare for this next and final wave, because this is going to be the euphoric stage of the cycle, very similar to what Dogecoin did for us back in 2020 and 2021. So prepare accordingly and get ready, and make sure that you are studying the overall mood in the space, because we are about to hit euphoria. And you'll notice when euphoria is really in this market right now, most of the attention is on this meme coin. I do suspect that once this meme coin cools off, once this thing starts to kind of have a sell-off, all the focus is going to shift again back onto, you know, altcoins. And I do think that that also happens pretty much on the 20th as well. So, you know, definitely stay focused on the big target here. Don't lose track, and just kind of stay locked in, because again, that's the number one key here, is just staying locked in on what really matters here. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on, because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.